Pontiac Grand Prix 2008. Comes in for a coolant leak. And as you can see right there, timing cover. Doing that because I got the pressure on it. Let's fix it. So to get to the timing cover, coil pack, alternator, tensioner, all the things to that crank pulley, it's all gotta come up. I'll show you how it goes. Alternator's out, tensioner, bracket, reservoir, to pull the crank pulley, you need this tool set. That pushes against the crank right in there and pulls the pulley out. And a couple more things and get to the timing cover. Alright, so everything is out of the way. This is how she looks. That's the timing cover. Let's try and give it a pry. See if it'll come out. Getting it out with one hand. That's the guy. So, in the first video you can see the leaking cooler right around here. Pull it out. You have a coolant port. You can see the gasket all done on there. So that's the leak. Change the gaskets and everything, clean it all up, put it back together. Now just the reverse procedure. Timing cover is all cleaned up. The new gaskets behind there. And we just gonna put it all back together and run it. Right, she's all back together just like that. As you can see, all the things you gotta take out to get to it. The gaskets right behind over there. That's the timing cover. That's the water pump behind the belt. But yeah, it's not too bad of a job. You just gotta take a lot of things. These are the tools that I needed. Anybody has a question, ask me, and